Don't miss out on the 2025 Silver Eagle, the first U.S. Mint collectible to feature revolutionary laser engraving technology. This innovation is already creating buzz among collectors, promising a leap in design precision and security. The Laser Eagle marks a new era in numismatics, blending artistry with cutting-edge minting. Discover why experts predict this limited edition Silver Eagle could become one of the most sought-after collectible coins of the decade, combining rarity, technology, and investment potential in a single breathtaking release. Struck at the United States Mint at West Point with a W Mint mark, it features the latest laser engraving technology to create a special privy mark. For added security, each coin features a unique reeded edge variation, making it more difficult to counterfeit and easier to identify. Every coin comes in a beautiful satin-lined black velvet presentation case, complete with a certificate of authenticity. Don't miss the chance to own this stunning edition for your collection.